Hey YouTube, unboxing of the Coolermaster Gladiator 600 computer case, a mid-sized tower case. It's not bad. Let's get it out of that box. Right. Get it. Get it. So, first thing we find inside the box is the operator's manual. The operator on the case, but anyway. And we have the case itself. It's protective plastic stuff. Come on, there we go. Okay, so what comes with the case? It's got a 140mm fan on top, exhaust fan, 120mm intake fan on the front. It's actually gloss front, that bezel, I didn't realise that. So you got your power button, reset button, eSATA, 2 USB 2 ports, headphone, microphone jack. Got your power and hard drive LEDs. Inside is, oh Christ, there we go. Okay, so basically inside we have 5.25 inch drive bays, or toolless. We've got included 500 watt power supply with 40 amps 12 volt rail. In here we have a 5.25 to 3.5 inch drive bay. Just slides in there. We've got a dust filter for the front intake fan. Hard drive rails. Just slip them under the hard drive, inside the hard drives, and slide it in. Screws, cable ties, and a motherboard speaker. That's all. So yeah. So thanks for checking out my unboxing.